Hello everyone, welcome back to Bhojpuri Vertical. So today we are talking about the most popular and gorgeous, beautiful Bollywood actress Kiara Advani. So today I did her song video and the song name is Bijli, and I did this video with 4K 60 FPS in vertical frame, and I covering all the angle of Kiara Advani in this video. So the Bijli song from the movie Govinda Na Mera has generated lot of buzz thanks to its catchy tune and energetic dance performance by Kiara Advani. However, the song has also faced criticism for its lyrics, which some find objectifying. In this review, we all take a closer look at the song music, performance, lyrics, and overall impact. The music in the Bijli song is electrifying and upbeat, making it a perfect for dancing. The song's composer Sachin Jigar has done an excellent job of creating a catchy and energetic melody that complement the song's theme. Kiara Advani dance skills are impressive and Vicky Kaushal's energy is unmatchable. The lead singer Mikka Singh and Neha Kakkar deliver a catchy performance and that complement song's rhythm and melody. However, the Bijli of lyrics song have been criticized for being the songwriter Vayu was penned down lines that some find objectifying, while the song's melody is catchy and the lyrics direct from the overall experience. Some fans have taken to the social media express their disappointment with lyrics, while others have defended the song, saying it's just fun upbeat track. Despite the controversy surrounding the lyrics, the chemistry between Kiara Advani and Nebidal and their energetic dance performance and playful interactions making it the song enjoyable to watch. The song two lead have a strong on-screen presence and their chemistry is palpable. The Bijli song has been a hit fans crossing 2 lakh view on YouTube within hours of its release. Fans have praised the chemistry between Kiara Advani as well. The energetic dance performance, the song success highlighting the importance of catchy music and energetic dance performance in making a song popular. In conclusions, while the Bijli song has its flaw, it's unique and endeavable, catchy and entertaining. Kiara Advani dancing prowess and Vicky Kaushal charisma make it the song enjoyable to watch. However, the lyrics detract from the overall experience. The song some find them objectifying. Despite the controversy, the song success highlighting to importance of catchy music and energetic dance performance making a song popular. The success of Bujli song highlight the importance of catchy music, energetic dance performance making a song popular. The success of the Bijli song highlights the importance of catchy music and energetic dance performance making in a song popular, while the controversy surrounding the lyrics may impact the song longevity. It's clear that Kiara Advani and Vicky Kaushal have a strong on screen chemistry. The fans enjoy watching with their upcoming project and growing popularity. It's likely that we all see more of this talent duo in the future. The Bijli song has a great example of how music and performance can come together to create a catchy and entertaining song. While the lyrics may be a point of contention for some music success, highlighting the importance of focusing on the music and performance aspect of a song with the right combination of catchy music, energetic dance performance, and strong on screen chemistry. As a song can be huge success even the lyrics are not perfect. The Bijli song is like a spark of energy electrifying the sense of leaving a lasting impression. The song's catchy melody and infectious beat make the impossible to sit still with Kiara Advani and Vicky Kaushal energetic dance performance adding to the excitement. The song's music video is a visual treat featuring stunning choreography and impressive dance moves. Kiara Advani is enjoyable and their playful interactions add light-hearted touch to the song. The video is visual are well crafted, complementing the song music and narrative. The song hook is incredible, catchy with Mika Singh and Neha Kakkar vocal, delivering and memorable performance. The hook is easy to sing along, make it a favorite among fans. While the song music performance are impressive, the lyrics have been criticized for being some fans have taken social media express and their disappointment while others have defended the song saying it's just fun upbeat track. Despite the controversy surrounding the Bijli Undeable and fun of party anthem, the song's catchy melody and energetic beat make it a perfect for dancing and singing along together. You are a fan of Kiara Advani and Vicky Kaushal or just looking for a fun song spice up your party playlist, Bijli is definitely worth checking out. And so if you are enjoying this video, so please like the video and subscribe my channel